Hey guys, and welcome to another video on this channel. Today we check out the dance spoiler from YooA's Born Voyage comeback that will come out in 2 days on Monday. I'm very hyped. I'm very excited. Well, I guess this won't be just a dance trailer, so you can see the ear of my cat again. Cause we will get music in the background from the album, I guess. So it will be, I guess, a double spoiler. But we got 22 seconds and I'm very excited. We know YooA is pretty good at dancing, so let's see what she's spoiling us here for us. Okay, maybe it's not. Maybe it's just. Whoa. Okay, I mean we'll watch this a few times now. Lying on the floor. That seems powerful. This seems very cool. Whoa! This seems to be the bridge. And with the right drop, this could be so impactful. For real, her movements are incredibly good. I mean, this will be the dance spoiler. The dance practice, I guess, that we will get in the end. Maybe? I can just look like hours at her. It's so powerful. Oh, it raves. I'm so excited. I can't wait. This is like a bit like maybe she's growing like a plant. It has a bit fairy at the choreo. Not that insane much, but a bit. A bit typical Oh My Girl fairy choreo style. But at the end it looks a bit more powerful. A bit more the style, the power level of dancing that YooA is used to be, or used to do. Okay, so good. We got the spoiler here, and I'm really in love with this dance. I'm pretty excited to see live stages of this or performance videos like that. Cause we will, in the MV, I don't think we will get this much of the choreo. But let's see, guys. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about this dance spoiler here? Would be really nice to hear your opinion about it. And yeah, that was it for me. It's not a long time anymore, so stay strong, and we will get a YooA comeback in not that much hours. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope we see us in the next video.